let's be completely honest. Most people struggling to make money online aren't failing because of their offer. They are failing because they are feeding their business garbage traffic. Safe lists, fake bots, and click exchanges where members only click your link to earn a credit. It's exhausting, it's unsustainable, and it keeps you starting from absolute zero every single month. But what if you could completely bypass the retail price of traffic? On August 1st, a massive industry disruptor is launching. An established 10-year retail traffic giant is opening its vault to the public. Think of it like the Costco model, but for the most critical asset in the digital world, 100% real human eyeballs. For a small monthly membership, you get direct access to an exclusive, vetted network of elite publishers delivering premium, top-tier buyer traffic for a staggering 50% off the market price. We are talking about real, high-quality subscribers from the US, UK, and Canada routed straight to whatever you are promoting. But here is where the massive action comes in. Because this is built on a powerful matrix system, you don't just save money on your own marketing, you get paid a recurring monthly income on every single member in your structure, plus a piece of every traffic package ordered across your entire network. In this space, the first movers win the biggest. This is going to blow up incredibly fast because every single online entrepreneur desperately needs what we have. Do not wait for the details to drop after the launch. The window for top placement is open right now. Get back to the person who shared this video with you immediately, get your contacts lined up, and secure your spot at the very top before August 1st. Take action right now.